All right, good morning, everybody. And this is just going to be a very short and quick video to guide you on the current airdrop mining on Satoshi that just started this morning. You remember that today is 11th of July. So when you log into your Satoshi app, for those of you who have signed up and you have done your facial verification, you are qualified to start mining immediately. Take this serious, okay? Now, there are two ways. Okay, take note that when you log into your Satoshi app, you might be required to upgrade to the newest version of the app. So you just follow suit and do it. I just did mine, okay, because they required me to do so, right? And when you are done, if you are required to do so, when you are done, you come over to this place. Now you can see airdrop, you can see project. There are actually two ways you can access the current project. You can either click on add project or select project. Okay, so we're just going to, or you simply click here this project to access it. So whichever one, let's just say we click on this place, add project, it will lead us to this place. Now this is the current project I just started this morning. We finished Coland last month. Now this is the total supply of the CORETADIO CTO. Okay, this is total supply. You don't actually need to know much about that. So to get started, you can see everything. Just read through. To get started, just click on this place. Click on this place now. When you click on this place, you are going to see participates in airdrop. You just click on it. You can read down to understand the tokenomics and the supply, everything you need to know, the roadmap and all that. Okay, just read through and then you click on participate in airdrop. When you click there, that's all. You just read through and then you click close, and that is all. You have started mining. Now when you go back to airdrop, click here, you go back to airdrop, you see that it's active. Mine is active already. Okay, I'm participating on this project currently. So you come after every 1 hour or 2 hours, as just as your strength that carry you and as you can remember. Okay, it can be for several hours, but make sure you do come and claim. Okay, when you have allowed it for several hours, this claim will highlight something yellow like this. The sessions is actually 1 hour every 1 hour. Okay, see the countdown time. After every 1 hour, the session that you have participated will highlight yellow and you come and claim. So if it is like several hours, you just click on the claim, and all the hours that you have not claimed will be claimed automatically. Now let me show you how you can increase your hash. Okay, this is called hash. You can increase this. For those of you who just signed up, you can DM me and then I will give you a gift card code that you are going to click on. There is a video on that right on the Telegram channel. So if you are not there, you can DM me and I will guide you how you can go about that. But the one I want to show you now, okay, let me just show you. Now, when you click on this gift card, if you are just signing up, you click on gift card, you are going to see a box will appear. You are going to see use gift card. You're going to click on that use gift card and then you are going to input the code that I'm going to give you and then click confirm. That is for the gift card. It's a one-time use. You cannot use it again. Even me, I cannot use it again, but you can give code to another person when you have used, and I can also give to another person, but you cannot use gift card again. So the one I want to show you now is how you can increase your hash. Okay, so this one you can do it every now and then. As soon as it appears here, or as long as it appears, any time there is a kind of appearance of all this under your hash. Okay, now you can see they have different names. This is Beetle card, Ant card. We have other names. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can you can use it to increase your hash rate. Now this hash determines your mining rate. A higher hash means higher mining rate. So let's do this. Now, to increase this video is also going to come with 4 links to Telegram channels where you can join to perform these tasks that I want to show you now. You do it exactly the way I'm going to do it, and by so doing, you are going to be increasing this anytime you do it. So you click when you let's just go to, let's say this is the home page now, and you come to let's just say we are here. Okay, you are at the home page, you click on this hash. When you click on the hash, you are going hash card, you are going to see all this. Okay, it depends on how many that will appear for you. So let's just say we want to exchange this Bito card. You click on initiate. There are 2 ways you can do it. You can go to that those channels that I'm going to send the link. You can see someone to join, or you can initiate, but I prefer you initiate. Always initiate, and then just follow these steps. Click on initiate. Anyone, if it is this one, if it is ant card, you click on it to initiate. Let's go for ant card. Now you initiate, and then it depends on how many people you want to bring in to join you. Now, ordinarily, I usually go for 5 people. By that, you have 4 people to come and join you. But because I want it to be very fast, let me go for 3 people or 4 people. Let me go for 4 people so that I'll have 3 people to come and join me, and I'll be the 4th person. So I'll click on 4. I will click on 4, and then I will click on initiate. Okay, hash card has been initiated. Then I will close and go back and copy it. You click on this after the initiation. That's when you are going to copy. You click on this copy. When you click on the copy, you close. Then you head over to Telegram. I am already on those groups. That's why I'm doing it this way. Now, these are some of the groups. This is 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one. So I'll just click on one of them. You take note of them, and then I'll paste it, and I will say ant card. I will type ant card, and then I will say 3 slots left, and I will send. Okay, I will send, and then I will copy it and go over to another group. Okay, another group that is also Satoshi group, and paste it and send. And then I will go to another one that is also Satoshi. Okay, take note of them all. I will go to another one that is also Satoshi and paste. Okay, and paste. Then I'll look for the last that is also Satoshi and paste. And then I will wait for them to join me. In fact, a lot of people are eager to join so that they will increase their hash in order to increase their mining rate. So I will come back to my Satoshi app. Sometimes if people are very fast and people are in their need to increase their mining rate, before you even get to this place, they have already joined. So what you do is you're going to click on refresh, okay, to know if anybody has joined. You can see 2 people have joined already. It's mainly just 1 person. Now take a look at this place, cancel. If I want to cancel, I will cancel exchange, but I don't want to cancel. Once the last person joins now, this cancel exchange will show execute, and then I will execute. So while you are here, you can just keep refreshing to know when the last person will join. Okay, you can keep refreshing. Now if it's wasting a bit of time, you go over again, and then you can type 1 slot available and send, so that the next person will come and join. But let me just have patience a little to see if, of course, it's fast already. So I just decided to come over and type 1 slot left. Okay, then I'll copy it again. This thing doesn't take time, and then go to another one. Okay, this one has a time limitation. Just head over to this and paste and say one slot left, and then I'll go back to check if it's been filled already. Okay, you can see it's filled already. You can see execute exchange. So I'm just going to click on that execute exchange. Now, before I do that, take a look at this, my hash now. It's going to increase. And yours, the other person's own will also increase. Now, you can see I've clicked execute exchange, and then I will confirm. Have you seen it? It has increased to 389. So I can do that for all these until I finish this 4 that is left for me. Now, if you're just signing up, yours might be more than 4. It might be up to 10 or more than 10. So that's how you do it, okay? Now, you've had my explanation about the gift card, how you can do it. When you just click on that gift card instead of hash, when you click on gift card, if you are a new signee, you're going to see use gift card. You click on the use gift card, and then a box will be opened for you. You get a code from me and input in that box and click confirm. It will automatically increase your hash rate by 30k. So that is it. And if you have further questions, you can ask me. I'll be there to guide you. Thank you for watching.